¿Qué pasa? Bien, lonche, comida. Okay, this looks good. It's right after. No, it looks good. The spoil's a little close to the ditch, just to be flat and honest with you guys. I talked with Eddie about that yesterday. They're in a real tight little area, and they've got their pipe in though. They've got bells exposed for inspector to come see, but they have laid this entire sewer run this morning, benched, ready to go. Their spoil's a little close. The curb's actually inset. It's a little tight and there's no room on this side. But no, it looks beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful. Kind of a different deal here too. ¿Qué pasa?
Patrón, ¿cómo estás, patrón?
Bien, bien, bien. ¿Y tú, señor?
Oh, muy bien, patrón, muy bien, muy bien.
Man, the groundwater.
Yeah, it's nonstop.
That's great. Over there too on the site too?
No, just here.
Really?
Just from the bucket to this way.
All the way?
Starts to groundwater.
Water?
After that, no.
Huh.
Are we able to get underneath this fence without taking it down? Okay, that was the conversation I had with Jesus.
I don't think as long as he doesn't need any more.
In the bottom, we got 4
As long
feet,
as we can get our
4
city
feet,
measurements,
2
we're good.
inches
All the way?
from the center.
Got you. And you sloped it out?
Photo looking like that. You'd be looking official.
I don't think, we'll see when he gets here and forms it up, but I don't think so. I think, I don't know,
Because
we need it?
Jesus say it needs 1.5 feet on the for the pipe. But they have it. It's,
Down there they do.
the manhole
Yeah.
outside is 5 feet. So it's going to be from the center 2.5 to outside.
Either side, yeah.
And plus 1.5 is 4 feet.
Simple math, baby. KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid. No.
And it's only one little right there because of all the rest. Yeah.
No, this looks good too.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut the pipe of the valve. I have to check the valve. Cut this one because that's the center of the metal stake.
Oh, it's in just a little far. Hey,
And I'm gonna cut it.
really, mira these. This is a new manhole guy. This is a carver. So let's make sure he knows what he's doing.
Oh yeah, because I told my operator that back in face. I told him, he said, Morrissey for me, cut it. But
Yeah.
I told him, you know how much you're gonna pay for just for this? For that piece, at least 400. If you put it, maybe charge you 400.
Probably.
Or 300 at least.
Every
300.
bit.
But he said he called Jesus and he said no problem. I mean, he's not gonna.
On the concrete. Guys, welcome. We are on the commercial train this year. When I say that, two differences, land development and commercials are two type of scopes that we mainly do here at SciCon, meaning subdivisions or a retail establishment, multifamily establishment, multi-flex establishment, or just like this one, just a regular old business, just trying to do business, right? So they need water and sewer. We're bringing sewer in, as you guys can see, from this tight little corridor over here. It's off-site. It's off of the site that's getting built, which carries its own kind of tricky limitations and parameters. You got to deal with homeowners. You got to deal with other things. I'm sorry, not homeowners, but other business owners and easements, and really just got to take care of everything that's already there to ensure that you get your pipe on site so that way you can continue work, right? So at the same time, I believe this is going to be some type of supply house. We just did the water and the sewer infrastructure here. As you can tell, the boys are doing a fantastic job. Nothing too deep, pretty tight environment for what they've got. They've done the best that they can. I definitely shared a few pointers, some things that I don't like. Guys, they call me out on that all the time, but I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Every single time, of course, sharing the guys killing it, but hey, we can do this better, we can do that better. Just trying to get 1% better every single day across the board. Challenge you to do the same. But no, really cool little opportunity with a client that we've dealt with, I don't know, probably a handful of times, 7, 8, 9 contracts at this point over the years. Really excited about it. We've got a kind of a flurry of this style of project, water, sewer, into the job. Sometimes we're handling the electrical as well, underground, but got kind of a flurry of these in between our subdivision projects. Just really excited to be a part of all these opportunities. And shout out to Dylan, man, cranking out the numbers so we can be out here. Shout out to the guys for ensuring that we're getting off projects on time and keeping these guys' projects on time and on schedule so we can adhere to our schedule